Hello everyone, welcome to our first step in learning Chinese. Before we dive into the beautiful and complex world of Chinese characters, we're gonna learn a powerful tool that will be your best friend on this journey, Hanyu Pinyin, or simply Pinyin. What exactly is Pinyin? Let's start with a simple definition. Pinyin is the official romanization system for standard Chinese in mainland China. Let's break that down. Hanyu means the Chinese language. Pinyin literally means spell sound. It's a system to spell the sounds of Chinese using the Roman alphabet, the same ABCs you use in English. Think of it this way. Pinyin is the bridge that connects the sounds you already know from the alphabet to the new sounds of Chinese. Why do we need Pinyin? The pronunciation guide for characters. Chinese characters are logograms. This means each character represents a meaning, but it doesn't always tell you how to pronounce it. For example, if you see the character, how would you know it's pronounced like shui? This is where Pinyin comes in. We write shui next to the character to show exactly how to say it. So Pinyin is not a replacement for characters. It's a pronunciation guide and a learning tool. The three essential building blocks of Pinyin. Pinyin is built from three components: initials, finals, and tones, just like the building blocks. Initials, 声母, the beginning sound. Initials are consonants that start a syllable. Examples: bo, po, mo, fo, de, te, ne, le. Most are similar to English, but some are unique, like 支吃诗, 日, 鸡吃诗. Finals, the core vowel sounds. Finals are the vowels or vowel combinations that form the main part of the syllable. Examples: a, o, e, i, u, ü, a, I, o, o, n, n, on, on. This is where the unique musicality of Chinese comes from. Tones, 声调, the music melody. This is the most special and important part of Chinese pronunciation. In Chinese, the same sound said with different pitch contours can have completely different meanings. There are four main tones and one neutral tone. We mark them with small symbols above the vowels in the final. The first tone. This is the symbol for the first tone. For example, ma, which means mother. The pitch is high and flat, like singing a sustained note. Keep your voice steady at a high pitch, similar to holding a musical note la. Let's try. Ma, ma, ma. The second tone. This is the symbol for the second tone. For example, ma, which means hemp. The pitch starts mid and rises sharply, like asking a question in English. Imagine saying ha or what in English. Your voice naturally rises. Ma, ma. The third tone. This is the symbol for the third tone. For example, ma, which means horse. The pitch starts mid, dips low, then rises slightly like a valley shape. Think of saying well hesitantly. Your voice drops, then lifts slightly. Ma, ma, ma. The fourth tone. This is the symbol for the fourth tone. For example, ma, which means scold. The pitch starts high and drops sharply, like a command in English. It's similar to saying stop or no. Your voice falls forcefully. Ma, ma, ma. The last one is the neutral tone. It's light and short, with no mark. For example, ma, which shows question particle. The pitch is short and light, with no fixed contour. Say it quickly and softly, like a in sofa. Ma, ma, ma. Mastering tones is not optional. It's essential for being understood. A simple example. Let's put it all together with the word for hello. Here are the characters and pinyin. 你好. Ni is composed of the initial n, the final i, and the third tone. 呢以你. Hao is composed of the initial he, the final ao, and the third tone ao. 好 你好 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 Why is learning Pinyin so important? It's your pronunciation foundation. It ensures you learn the correct pronunciation from day one. It's how you type Chinese. To type Chinese characters on a computer or phone, you type the Pinyin, the computer then gives you a list of characters to choose from. It's in dictionaries. All modern Chinese dictionaries use Pinyin for looking up words. It builds confidence. It allows you to read and pronounce any Chinese word even if you don't yet know the character, which is incredibly empowering for a beginner. A final word of encouragement. Don't be intimidated. You already know the alphabet, which is a huge head start. We'll go slowly, practice the new sounds like qi, xi, zhi, and most importantly, have fun with the tones. Think of Pinyin as the training wheels on your bicycle. Right now, it's essential for balance and sport. But soon, as you become more comfortable with characters, you'll find yourself relying on it less and less, even though it will always be a valuable tool in your pocket. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching Kevin's Chinese. In the next video, we'll dive deep into our first sound. Ah, see you then. Bye bye.